My name is Alan Martins and my company is House Doctors Painting and Restoration here in Aberdeen. So we specialize in interior and exterior painting and staining, minor repairs and roof finishing work. We're going to do an exceptional job not only prepping your house, painting it, and then the service afterwards. You can always call us back, we'll come back, help you out and fix anything. We're right there, we're a phone call away.
My name is Audrey Martins and I am the manager of House Doctors Painting and Restoration. Since 2016, we have produced about 400 different projects. Our service area is anything within about 30 miles of Aberdeen for exterior, and then for interior, we can go anywhere to about an hour and a half away.
Our common projects here in Aberdeen are anywhere from a single-story ranch house to anything from 2.5 to 3 stories up. It could be a historical home or it could just be a house that really needs some TLC.
For interior painting, we offer those hard-to-reach areas that might be either a stairwell or something with high ceilings.
Bedrooms, bathrooms, living rooms. If you call us, we can probably help you. We also do staining projects, so that could be decks, fences, houses, log cabins, so they do need to be coated about every 3 to 5 years, and if you do it correctly, they do last.
When you're hiring House Doctors Painting, you should expect that we are going to show up on time and we are going to give you the best service and quality.
Not only are we providing an exceptional quality paint job and service, we're also using the highest quality of materials that we can get on the market today. Our clients really love the fact that we're personable, we want to do an excellent quality job for them, and then they usually want to have us back.
The most rewarding part of the job to me is seeing the client's reaction to when the project's all done, because then at that point their dreams are now becoming a reality.
They're usually completely blown away from the before to where we're ending up with. Do you have cracked, chipped, peeling, or faded paint? Give us a call today.